Hello children, this is your reading for week 21. We are going to start our new reading videos. I hope this will help you to read better. Now, this week we are on Sort 41 and we are working on short vowel sound A, I, and E, with initial digraphs. Digraphs are two letter making one sound, like SH says sh, sh, I, p, sh, I, p, ship, ship, ship. CH, 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 a, t, chat, chat. WH, w, e, n. When, when. TH, the, it, s, this, this. Now when you pronounce TH, you have to have your tongue between your teeth. This, this. What, p, whip, whip. Sh, d, shed, shed. V, a, n, then, then. Ch, I, p, chip, chip, chip. Ch, I, n, chin, chin. W, a, t. Oh, that's a special word. In this one, you don't pronounce the A as a, because what is a question word, so it's a special word. So you would say what, 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 what. Don't forget, this is a special word, question word, asking a question. What? What are you doing right now? What? The, at, that, that. The, them, them. Okay, now we are going to try to read a short story. Now, do you remember the ab family? Ab, ab, ab. Okay, now you will read with Miss Carolyn. The cab and crabs. Mom got us a cab to go see crabs. Mom said, "Do not grab the crabs. You do not want them to stab you. If the crab stabs you, you can get a scab. I looked at the crabs, but I did not grab them. They were red. They were fab. Now, can you pause the video and try to read it by yourself one time? Now, let's go to the question. Why did Mom get a cab? Do you remember? Yes. To go see the crabs. Now remember to write this down. You have the paper in front of you. What color were the crabs? Yes, they were red. What might happen if you grab a crab? Do you remember? Yes, you can get a scab. Now, can you find all the ab family in this story? Ab family. So, circle all the ab family. You can pause the video and try it yourself. Now, let's check the answer. Ab, crab. Grab, crab, stab, crab, stabs, scab, crabs, grab, fab. How many do you see? Can you count them? Well, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Do you have 14? Good job. Now, did you read the story with Miss Carolyn? Yes, then you can color that. Did you answer all the questions? Yes, then you can color that too. Did you find all the F families? Yes, then you can color that too. Now, hope this video helped you, and keep up the good work, and maybe if this works well, we can make another one. Okay? Have a good day. See you in school. Bye-bye.